All right, you guys, so we have made it to Orlando. We are here. We're at the Westgate Town Center Resort here in Orlando, and I'm getting ready to give you a little room tour. So this is the front door. That's where I just walked in. You walk in here. Let me turn y'all around. Hold on. So you walk in through the front door. You have a living room area here, couch, chairs, table, little lamp in the corner, some decor, TV here in the front. Looks like we got a DVD player, a Blu-ray player, it looks like. And I don't know what this stuff is. Oh, just some shelving units. Kitchen area, refrigerator, full refrigerator. I see anything in here? Nope, he didn't leave us nothing. That's okay, we'll put some stuff in there. We got a nice little stove area with a toaster, sink, kitchen sink, dishwasher, no dishes, vacation. We got a microwave, coffee maker, lots of cabinet space, it looks like. Cups, bowls, some of everything. Oh, they gave us some dish detergent, that's good. If I want to wash a cup or a bowl and use it, I can. Let's see. This is the bedroom. Oh, look, the room came with a child. That's RJ, y'all, of course. This is the bedroom, so we got a nice like desk area here with the TV. See over here, got a closet. Ooh, closet with lots of hangers. Looks like some extra blankets are there. Alarm clock in the corner. A bed. That's a king size bed. Nice and comfy in that. And we have a bathroom here. So there's the bathroom, shower area, sink, washing machine, which is great because we will be using the pool quite a bit. What's this? Bathroom. It's dark. Let me see if I can turn the lights on. Bathroom, nothing special, just a toilet and the garbage can, so nothing special there. We got towels. Yeah, we got plenty of towels down here, so we're good there. What's behind this door? I don't know what that is, but it's locked, so I guess it ain't meant for us to go in there. And that's it. That is the tour. So RJ and I are getting ready to rest because we're tired. It's like, y'all, it's 2:30 in the morning right now. It's 2:26 a.m. here in Orlando, which means it's 1:26 a.m. at home. Either way, it's late. So we're getting ready to rest, relax. Tomorrow we're gonna get into some stuff. We're gonna see what we're gonna do tomorrow. Maybe we'll hang out at the resort. Maybe we'll go to the beach. We don't know. We're gonna do something. It's a lot of stuff to do here at the resort. So maybe we'll hang out at the resort. But thank you so much for tuning in. We thank you for watching, and I hope that if you like this video, you will hit the like button. And if you are new here, I hope that you'll subscribe because we'd love to have you come back and see some more of what we're going to do in Orlando. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a video. Thank you so much.